Hi and welcome to a new video tutorial by CrocFIX. What we have here is an Samsung Galaxy A53 and it's locked. We forgot the password and we want to unlock the phone. So there is one basic tutorial for doing this. You will need the phone itself and an USB-A to USB-C cable. I will show this in a picture right now. Okay, now you saw the picture. So you will need to connect this cable to your phone. So the USB-A needs to be connected to your computer, and the USB-C cable you will need to connect to the phone. So while this is connected to the phone, you need to turn off the phone first. So for doing this, you click on volume down and power button at the same time. You hold it and wait till you see the screen for turning off. Okay, and now you click on power off, power off. Okay, it's not working because you need to unlock the phone first to turn it off. So what you can do to restart the phone is you will click and hold all three buttons here together. Volume up, volume down and the power button. Then the phone will restart. And when you will see the Samsung logo coming up, you will release the power button and volume down button, but you will keep holding volume up button. Okay, let's try it. So volume up, volume down and power button. You click and hold all these three buttons together. Hold it until the phone restarts. Okay, so now the phone restarts and it did actually turn off. Because when you see this icon, it did turn off. But it doesn't matter, that's perfect. So now you click on volume up button and the power button. Click and hold. Now you see the Samsung logo. Keep holding just the volume up button, but you release the power button. Okay, that's it. So now we came into the recovery mode and we can disconnect our USB-C cable. And in the recovery menu, you go down till you see Wipe Data Factory Reset. You move between the options with the volume up and volume down button. You go to and click Wipe Data Factory Reset and you confirm with the power button. Then it asks you again if you really want to do it and you go down and click Yes, reset on factory settings. Click Confirm with the power button. You wait till it's done and now you go and click on Reboot System Now. Click. And now you wait. Okay, so now that's actually it. Now you will just follow all the steps like you bought a new phone. And probably you will need to enter your Google account, so Google email and password. If you don't know it, then you will need to follow another video.
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.